First one created was this plug. So it's created in CAD and it goes into the actual foot of the Seplos Mason battery foot and have a little rubber cushion on the inside, and it's more or less just to create more surface space against the second puck. So this was 3D printed and then ready for assemble. Second thing created was this puck. So it's just an extension of the foot on the Seplos Mason. It has a little rubber spacer inside, and the idea is that it will create a bigger surface for the battery pack to be on. But most important, it's a membrane between the steel foot and the aluminium box that it will be sitting in, just to make sure that there is no corrosion. It also gives a little bit of extra airflow under the unit as well. So I will do similar spaces around the box just to make sure that it's secure, but also allow some air to move around the box, because that will be part of a cooling feature that I will be adding as well. So this one was 3D printed and now ready for assemble. Eight 1mm rubber spacers or cushions, 8 for the small plug and 8 for the big foot. Let them soak in some silicone just to kind of increase the lifespan. Success! If anyone need these pucks for the Seplos Mason batteries for whatever reason, then reach out and I will send you the print files. Thanks for watching.